Sup fam, today we're mounting a chassis mount. Alright, so today we're going to be mounting chassis mount wing for Supra.
Fire makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me.
Alright, first thing you're going... I don't know, I always mess up saying first thing you're going to want to do. Anyway, first thing you're going to want to do is to take the rear bumper off, which I already did in this clip. Now. Alright, so got that off. Easy peasy. Maybe another day that I did that. Anyway, so with this mount is actually on sideways, so it should be rotated like whoop. So these brackets are sticking out this way, but I can't mount it that way, and they don't make a mount for my car, so drill into those, 2 bolts through all the way on each side, and we'll mount it just fine. So first thing you're going to do, we're actually going to pop rivet it in, just so that way it'll hold in one spot and we don't have to be like bouncing it on the jack the whole time to try to mount it. So let's go ahead and do that there.
Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me.
Alright, so that's on. This is the only rivet that's actually in right now on this side. And this side is just this one right here, but even just shaking it around, it's quite sturdy as is, so that's a good start. We're going to leave the rivet in when it's all said and done anyway, because, you know, if you got support in it, might as well do it, especially if it isn't intended for this car. So next step up is we're going to have to drill 2 more holes. I'm probably going to do one right here and one here on the end, and we're going to do bolts that, not right here, sorry, one here, and then I forgot the second one anyway. So anyway, plan is we're going to do 2 more bolts that will go all the way through and actually bolt up on the other side. So that way if we do need to take it off later, we just drill out this one rivet, but I'm going to leave it in until I need to take it out. So drilling through, bolt them up, big win gang. Alright, let's go. Alright, well that took a million years, and so actually a full hour later, got 1 bolt in there and 1 bolt in right there. Now, eventually I may put in another one, but jeez, I hate drilling holes and my hands are super sore from drilling and it sucks. Another X right there, guys. Anyway, this is sturdy as all heck though, so it's not like this is going anywhere. Going it as hard as I can and it's not budging. I could push the car with just these mounts right here. So it is definitely on there. Gonna go ahead and mount up the rest of the wing. As for mounts, that's literally all you need to do, and you're set to have your own chassis mount. Alright, just a quick update. About to put this thing on. Yikes, why did I forget the word wing? Anyway, in the meantime, I mounted the diffuser. That looks awesome sauce. So anyway, just gonna go ahead and pop that wing on. You guys will see how it's done. As I do it, it's just a few bolts and all set to go. Anyway, oh, I'm zoomed in. Woot! Look at that, a lot wider now. Anyway, that's it. got a huge wang. Anyway, so there's all you need to know. Any questions, shoot me a comment or slide into the DMs if you want to. All it was, just bolt there. I'll get that second one later, but in the meantime, dude, totally fine. Thing is quite strong. Not gonna shake around at all. You try to shake it, nothing moves, which, believe it or not, that's how it's done. Car looks awesome, super aggressive, way more excessive than it ever needs to be. But yeah, that's awesome. Anyway, don't forget, dislike, unsubscribe, leaving here in the comments. Awesome. See ya. Bye.